Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into accounts. Google.com. This ensures you control the account. Once signed in, go to Security, then find the section about phone verification or recovery methods. You need your device handy because Google will send a verification code. Make sure your recovery email is accurate so you can get codes if SMS fails. Begin the edit process on the phone entry now so you can receive that first code and confirm ownership before proceeding to change the number. Now, click the existing phone line and choose Edit or Remove, then add phone to insert the new number. Enter the number in international format so delivery is reliable. Select SMS or voice verification and request the one-time code. You will get a short numeric code on the device. Type it back into the field exactly as shown. Once the code validates, Google updates the record. This verifies you control that number and prevents lockouts. Finish by confirming the updated phone appears under Security. Sign out and sign back in to trigger a verification flow and ensure it works. Make sure you enable two-step verification afterward so the phone is actively used for protection. If you do not receive the code, don't panic. Wait 5 to 10 minutes, request a voice call, or use your recovery email. If problems persist, remove and re-add the number. This forces a fresh verification and usually resolves delivery issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.